I'm Mia Starr, and welcome to The Sweet Spot. I'm a cake artist, content creator, and host of my show, Baking the Holidays, and I love to share my favorite cake decorating tips and tricks to you through the screen. But now I'm bringing the experience to you in person at our live, all-inclusive cake decorating workshops. If you love to watch those mesmerizing cake decorating videos on social media, or if you wind down by watching baking shows, you can come to The Sweet Spot and try out decorating for yourself. Here you can learn how to decorate cakes, cookies, cupcakes, and more, even if you've never done it before. Whether you're a home baker wanting to level up your decorating skills, or you're looking for a new hobby, or you want to find something fun to do with your friends, come and find your sweet spot at one of our workshops.